Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to the video. So I think that rate cuts are happening. I want to start out with this video, Trump today, talking about his meeting with Jerome Powell. Then I want to cover this whole galaxy selling 80,000 Bitcoin yesterday, 9 billion worth. And that is why the price of Bitcoin had this sell-off overnight. And now we're back up. So I'm going to cover that and a couple other stories. Let me just start out right here. I want to play this for you. This happened a few hours ago.
I think that Jerome Powell, I think we had a very good meeting. Forgetting about the building, that's out of control, Boulder. But I think we had a very good meeting on interest rates. And he said to me, now I don't know if he's going to say this on Thursday or whenever he speaks, but he said to me very strongly, the country is doing well. He said, congratulations, the country is doing really well. And I got that to mean that I think he's going to start recommending lower rates.
All right, so the country is doing well, and Trump is saying that he thinks that means that Powell is going to start lowering rates. And I think this announcement alone, take a look right here back to Bitcoin, helped propel Bitcoin higher. Let me just head to this story right here. So Galaxy executes one of the largest notional Bitcoin transactions ever. And so 80,000 Bitcoin worth more than $9 billion they sold. There's some other stories about this, but right here, I mean, this is the funny part. So I believe yesterday, Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy, went on CNBC and said ETH is going to outperform Bitcoin, and then he drove home and sold 80,000 Bitcoin. So again, you know, what happens behind the scenes is always the most important thing. I want to cover that chart in just a second, but I think what a lot of people are really happy about is the fact that Bitcoin absorbed this insane amount of selling. Again, this is the largest notional Bitcoin transaction ever. And it happened overnight when liquidity was low, when people weren't trading, right? Other altcoins like Solana dipped as well. XRP had a dip as well, down to below $3. And yeah, it just absorbed all of it. One thing interesting right here, others dominance. So essentially altcoins. Altcoins not in the top 10. It's up. It's up today. Bitcoin dominance is down. So taking a look here to crypto bubbles, we can see for the day, it's basically an up day, more or less. The average is up 1.3%. And this chart, so this is the Pi cycle top, right? The Pi cycle top indicator. And this is predicting a cycle peak for Bitcoin January 17th, not of 2026 next year, but of 2027. Will Bitcoin peak early 2027 at around 400K? Maybe, maybe not. With stories like this though, Michael Saylor just absorbing enormous markets. I mean, this cycle could go on a lot higher. Strategy announces pricing of its STRC offering and changes the deal, increases the deal from $500 million to $2.5 billion. So he is just absorbing more capital from massive markets. And this could extend the cycle. Here, James Lavish. Now, I just want to end with this. This has to do with Trump talking to Powell yesterday about why it's so expensive to renovate the Federal Reserve building, the Fed buildings. His big issue is, why is the annual Fed budget $10 billion? And he says it goes back to Americans being like, well, this is the government. What can you do about it? Nothing. I mean, they can just, you know, use as much money as they want. They can print and inflate the currency, and they could waste money, right? This was Elon Musk's whole Doge agenda, cutting waste, fraud, and abuse. And James says that's how they got so big and how they got so uncontrollable and self-serving. So I just want to end the video there with that very uplifting story. But yeah, crazy day. Tons of Bitcoin selling overnight. The Bitcoin price dipped. It came back, which is incredible. It shows a really, really resilient crypto market. And Trump is saying that he believes, now you can disagree, I don't know what's going to happen, but he believes that the Fed is going to lower rates based on what Powell told Trump yesterday. Leave your comments below, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of these videos. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.